I am Brittany Harris.
And I am Howard Cisse.
Welcome to Banneker Trojan TV, aka BTTV. Now it's time for the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. We will now be sitting for 30 seconds of silence reflection.
Attention all juniors and seniors. Prom tickets are on sale and the tickets cost $100. Tickets can be purchased in the cafeteria or Ms. Godley's room 2663. The prom will be held at the W Hotel, Midtown Atlanta on April the 17th from 8 p.m. until midnight. If you have any additional questions, please see Ms. Henderson in room 1444.
Do after school hunger have you down? You tired of hearing your tummy fussing? Well, support your junior class by getting a cup of noodles and muffins after school in room 2483 for $1.25 before your after-school activities begin.
Attention all Banneker Trojans. Chick-fil-A biscuits will be on sale every Friday starting at 7:45 near the small gym. Don't miss out.
Juniors and seniors, see Mr. O for SAT and ACT waivers. Seniors, be sure to complete your FAFSA as soon as possible in order to receive financial aid for college.
The TSA Technology Student Association has videos on sale of the basketball games. If you would like a copy, see Mr. Buffington in room 2011. Copies are $5 each.
Good morning, Banneker students and staff. It is that time again to help save lives by donating blood. The Banneker Hosa chapter will sponsor the second annual blood drive in February 12, 2015 from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. in the auditorium atrium. We did not meet our collection goals at the last blood drive due to anemia. Many donors were anemic and could not give the gift of life. If you were not eligible to give blood last time because of a low anemia count, then you have enough time now to begin hydrating and eating plenty of foods high in iron and vitamin C to help increase your blood supply. What are some foods high in iron and vitamin C? Plenty of dark green leafy vegetables, lean meats, and fruits. Drink plenty of water, about 8 ounces of juice a day. Food fact, hot Cheetos do not have iron nor vitamin C. Let's meet our goal this time, Banneker Hosa.
To all healthcare science, HOSA, and other students interested in healthcare career, the Emory Medical Group will be back this semester. The first meeting will be held on February the 5th, 2015, beginning at 3:45 until 5 p.m. Topic, hypertension, high blood pressure. Please plan to attend and learn from medical students who are willing and ready to share their knowledge and experiences with you. If you have any questions, please see Ms. McGee in 1621 or Ms. Mack in 1617. Thank you.
To all HOSA students, if you are planning to attend HOSA State Leadership Conference in March 12 through the 14th, 2015, please submit the required forms and registration dues on before February 4, 2015. Please see Ms. McGee in room 1621B or Ms. Mack in room 1621B for more details. HOSA advisor.
Attention seniors. Seniors ads for the 2014-2015 yearbook are now being accepted. Full pages ads are $150. Half pages ads are $125. 1/4 page ads are $75 and business card ads are $25. Ads must be turned in by February the 6th. See Ms. Hill in room 2859 before first period class for details.
The Southwest Public Library values teens volunteers through their Teen Tuesday Adventure program. Participants can earn community service hours to meet school requirements. Further details can be obtained by calling the library at 404-696-6363. Again, 404-699-6363.
Good morning. Save Lives has never been easier. Banneker staff and students ages 17 years old and older, please consider donating blood on February the 12th, 2015 to help save 3 lives per donation. The Banneker HOSA members will be scheduling appointments beginning on Monday, February the 9th during all lunch periods. Thank you, HOSA advisors. Calling all poets, spoken word artists, rappers, lyricists, vocalists, comedians, and so on. Banneker will host its monthly open mic set, Trojan's Poetry Corner.
Where is that?
February the 12th.
Wait, what time?
It's 5 p.m. to 7.
How much does it cost?
It's free.
Are you for real?
Yes.
You know, I'll be there. You guys make sure you come support us, okay?
Yes, doors open at 4:45 p.m. The show starts promptly at 5 p.m., ending at 7. The list is first come, first served. Talent can sign the list in the Media Center. Students, faculty, and staff are welcome. For more information, see Ms. Cruz. The school store will open in the cafeteria today during all lunch shifts where you can redeem your Banneker bucks.
Make sure you have your buck now. Okay, for all peer facilitators involved in the Black History Month program, we will meet next week after school on the following days. Monday, the skit will meet. Tuesday,
The monologue will meet.
and Wednesday,
The dance and mail step will meet.
alright, night school begins Monday, February 9th, which is today. All night school participants meet in the cafeteria immediately after school to see Mr. Law for details.
If you missed any part of the announcements, don't stress. Visit us at www.youtube.com/BannekerTrojansTV and follow us on Twitter at Banneker_HS.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Bye!
Why you're getting a red one, I'm giving you a red one. It has to do with some things that she's usually the first person at the door, guys. So if anything ever happens to me, Nicole will know, because she's the first person I see in the always there, punctual. Yes, yes, yes. Sitting in that hallway just waiting on me. And then she comes in here and helps me out.